Nathan. Hi. Nathan. What are you doing? Nathan. Nathan. Nathan, where's Papa? Oh, is it? Oh, I hear my puppies. See, they're outside. They're being bad. They're barking. Those puppies are being bad. Nathan. Nathan. Papa. Nathan. Nathan. Give me that. I got it. Don't do that, Mama. Nathan, where's Papa? I don't know. I don't really care. I'm playing with my Cheerios, Mama. Nathan. Nathan. It's your baby fingers. Nathan, where's Papa? Nathan, is Papa at work? Oh, work? Yeah. Where's your Papa? Papa. Oh, it fell out of my hand. Nathan. Hi. Oh no, don't cry. Don't cry. Are you tired, my big man? You can't be tired.